So right over here, you can see that I have generated $548.11. Now, if I go ahead and reload this page, basically you are going to see that this amount is intact. Okay. Now, that is to tell you that the logic behind making money with CPA marketing is not by sleeping. It requires very effective effort that you need to put hard work, that you need to work hard in order for you to make this kind of money from CPA platform. If you come down right over here, you can also see other successful CPA marketers that are making money in different diverse amount. If you come down right here, you can see $143.88. And if you come here, someone just like this guy made $9. Okay. And if you come down here, someone just like this guy also made $27. $10. You can see $10, $66. Everybody cannot make equal amounts of money with CPA marketing because we have different ideas and have different structure of strategies that we are implementing in order to actually make money with CPA network. Now, basically, what you need to understand is how do you build your organic traffic? How do you build traffic to your CPA offer that you want to promote and be able to make money from that? Because basically, what can make you or enable you to make money with CPA network is by bringing people from different locations, from different country, from different cities to come and check out what kind of link you are actually promoting. And if they actually take action, then you can actually be sure that you can be making this kind of amount of money. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing an automation system strategy that you can actually implement in order for you to go ahead and start making money. You are going to stop, posting random posts on social media and expect people to click your link. In fact, this strategy no longer work. So if you think they're going to be posting something on social media and then at the end of the day, before you wake up, someone from Facebook or any platform have already taken action on your link, in fact, you are just completely on the other side of the system because nothing will work like that. You are going to be using this strategy I'm going to reveal to you, an automation system that will help you to build an organic traffic system so you can be able to understand that you can actually earn money from CPA network. And so many of you guys who are actually not sure whether CPA network is paying or not, then you can also be able to understand that, okay, at the end of the day, you have made $100, you have made $200. Then are they actually paying you this money or not? So this is where you are going to be able to understand all of those strategies. All right, if you're going to stay with me to the end of this video, I promise you are going to get value from this video. Let's jump right into it. Now, the first thing you need to understand is the offers that you're going to be promoting. How do you get them? You have to create an account on CPA Grip, or you can create an account on Mass Bounty, AdBlue Media, or any other CPA network of your choice. But as of now, you are watching this video, I am very sure you already have an account. So you can log into your account while you are watching this video. Now, when you log into your dashboard, unfortunately, you're going to be seeing that you have $0 here. Okay, because you have $0, don't be frustrated. Don't feel that you are not doing the right thing. Just make sure you focus very well on this video so you understand something. Okay, now if you come down to the monetization tools, what do you understand? You have to ask yourself this question: what do you actually understand about these monetization tools, specifically for CPA Grip users? Okay, but if you are using other CPA network, we have what we call content locker and offer locking and all of that. So, but then if you are able to understand content locking, what are you locking? How do you lock those items? How do you get those items you want to lock? Because this is something that has to do with marketing strategic means. Now, do you have the tools? Do you have the structure? Do you have all the necessary implementation elements like digital items that will enable you to lock something? And that thing you are locking, does you have value? Does audience have interest in that thing that you are locking that will make them to click the link you are promoting? At the end of the day, you have to answer the question by yourself. So if it's something you cannot just, you on your own cannot just click and then desire result from it, then you are going to make sure that that is not a digital item you want to lock. Okay, all right, so to cut the story short, content monetization or monetization tool will help you to lock an item or digital value you want to give to your audience. In this way, if your audience desires so much to actually get value for that what you want to give to them, then they need to take some certain actions or steps in order to unlock that value that they are looking for. Once they unlock the value, then they get the value they want. In return, you as a marketer who give the value get paid by CPA network for giving out such value. That is exactly the function of the content monetization tools. Okay, then the offer tools will enable you to actually go ahead, pick offer from a specific country. The landing page is what you are promoting. What you need to do is to send people from different locations specifically for that particular offer, because every single offer you want to go ahead and promote basically requires a particular country. So what you need to do is to send people from that country, and when the people visit that particular landing page, take a certain action also, then CPA network will pay you a commission. Then other options that can actually make money from CPA, like this CPA group specifically, is referral programs, post back tools, and so on. In the case of payment center, all you need to do is just to enter what you want to use to withdraw your money. If you want to use PayPal account, you can come here and enter your PayPal URL or your PayPal email address. Or if you want to use your international bank account where you are going to be dropping your dollars, all these dollars you are seeing here, okay, they need a place where they will pay it into. So that is where you are going to come in here and put in your US account or your GBP account or any other currency that you want to use to withdraw your money right over here. Okay, now the major focus of this video is basically how can we actually be able to automate this process so that we can actually be able to make people to take action logically and we get paid for doing that. Okay, that is what we're going to be discussing in this particular video. All right, so why are we changing to automation system or automated system in order to promote CPA offer and make money? One of the reasons is because posting any random post on people's profile or in your bio basically is an outdated strategy and it's no longer working. In fact, many people seeing links on your bio are no longer clicking on it. So that particular logic where somebody will come and say you have to create a Facebook page and in your bio put a link of your CPA offer so that your audience will come to your bio and then go ahead and click on the link. How many people are actually clicking links on people's bio? Okay, that is basically what you need to understand. Okay, so those strategies are not working, but you can see that the people are actually engaging massively on social media every single seconds. When you look at some reels, some posts that people are posting on Facebook, okay, you are going to see that a post that was made just 5 hours ago has already gained nothing less than 1,000, 3,000 comment or 3,000, 4,000 likes. Now, these are serious engagement that can actually convert into leads in CPA offers. Okay, now you can actually make thousands of dollars using this conversion automated method from any of these regular post, comment, reaction from social media like Facebook Reels, YouTube Short, and TikTok videos. All right, but you have to use an automated system in order for you to process this logic. Now let me show you how to go about this process. All right, so the first thing you need to do when you want to create this particular automated system, the first thing is to build what we call no link bio. You don't have to put any link on your bio in order for people to click your link. You have to set up an automated link delivery. Okay, now this automated link delivery will help you to actually create this automation system. Now, if you want to create this automation system, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to create a website, you don't need to create a sophisticated software in order for you to achieve this. A simple online tool can help you to do that. ManyChat. This is an app that will help you to actually go ahead and create this automation. So copy this and we'll come to an empty tab here, and then we're going to come over here and paste this. Okay, and once you click on it, what you're going to see is this particular website. This website is manychat.com, and once you are on this website, basically what you need to do is just to go ahead and create an account if you have not created an account before. Okay, so once you go ahead and create an account, you log into your dashboard and you proceed. But first, let me bring you back right over here so we can be able to understand the process. Okay, now set up a trigger when you are already on your dashboard, because you are going to be connected to an Instagram account or TikTok account. So in this section, you're going to go ahead and set up a trigger when someone drop a comment on a specific keyword. For example, if you target a particular popular social media celebrity posting content every single day, because this strategy you still do not need to go ahead and create content by yourself. Okay, so you can target any particular popular social media content creator. What you are going to do is to be targeting the comment that people are dropping on the post. So you're going to be using this trigger to go ahead and target those keywords. Once you target those keywords in each of the posts, instantly you're going to be sending DM to those people. Okay, and inside the DM, what are you going to be having? You're going to be having a simple message containing a CPA affiliate links inside the DM. So because these guys are already online, they just drop a comment and your automation system trigger it because of the keyword. Immediately it receives a message from another user, and then going to go ahead and check out the message and click the link inside that particular simple comment message. All right, so the next one is you have to film a problem solution for short form video. Okay, now if you are good in creating a video, just a short one, you don't need to create long video, okay, for this purpose. So what you need to do is to demonstrate what the viewer will gain, the value the viewer will gain. That is how you have to make a problem solution. You have to solve a problem when you want to make people to take action. So when you solve a problem, you are going to go ahead and make sure that that video does not exceed at least 7 seconds video, or even 10 seconds video is okay. All right, so create a TikTok video, Instagram Reels, or YouTube short showing a quick, relatable problem and solve that particular problem. The offer that you are promoting will be attached to that particular problem you are solving, and that video you are going to go ahead and post it on TikTok, on Instagram, or YouTube short, and so on. Okay, it could be 10 minutes, or sorry, 10 seconds. Okay, if you make it 10 seconds, it's okay, you can proceed. Then the fourth one is to trigger the automated DM conversion. Let the automation close the deal for you. So what you just need to do after the automation has been set up, go ahead and sleep, and then when you wake up, you're going to see now that okay, this automation is taking action and people are actually responding to this action that the automation is taking. And remember that any action someone take is equal to the amount of money or conversion you want to get from the specific CPA offer. Okay, so publish the video as free traffic start rolling and viewers comment. The moment the viewers drop comment using a specific keyword that you have already set up on your automation will be triggered automatically and then sent a DM to them privately. So it is either you are going to be focusing using popular content creators that you can see that okay, they are very busy posting and people are engaging seriously on their posts, or you are going to also go ahead and be creating content. Because remember what I used to tell you guys, that a marketer must be a content creator. In fact, if you want to be a good marketer and you want to make money online in the era of CPA marketing or even affiliate marketing, which actually takes a while before begin to yield fruit or begin to make you profit, but CPA marketing usually takes instant. Okay, all you need to do is to understand that you must be a content creator. You must be able to create value. You must be able to establish a value that somebody will engage and enjoy before you can start making money with CPA marketing. All right, so basically you can come right over here and then you're going to go ahead and start making money with CPA marketing instantly. But then the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you understand the use of landing page, because no matter any social media, even if you are dropping comments in people's DM, okay, you are not allowed to actually use affiliate links or CPA link directly on these comment sections. So what you need to do is to make sure that you embed your link on a landing page. So in this case, you're going to be coming to Google site site.google.com or site.google.com. And then once you're on site.google.com, what you need to do is to click on the blank site. And then once you click on the blank site right over here, you are going to go ahead and create a simple landing page. And to use Google Site to create a landing page is pretty simple. All you need to do is to make sure that you eliminate all the unnecessary elements on the user interface, and then you're going to come right over to the sidebar here. You're going to see different elements that you can actually use to build the interface the way you want to build it. But in my own case, the only thing that I need as an element is where I can actually insert the links of the CPA offers or the content locker link I want to actually make people to click. So in this case, I will come over here and click on the text box, and then I'm going to write a short caption. And then in this short caption, I will highlight it. And after highlighting it, I'm going to go ahead and click on insert link. And then I'm going to copy the link of a particular CPA offer and put it here. So this will be offer one. So I will do the same thing for offer two by clicking on text box again. I will do that for offer two. I will do the same thing again, follow the same process, because you already know how to go ahead and insert link on a caption. Okay, so once you follow that process, you are going to go ahead and list all the offers right one by one inside the landing page and publish the landing page. Now you are going to be using this particular link of this landing page inside your automated system that is going to be sending the message to the DM of every single commenter, okay, that you are sending, okay, in order for you to actually reach out to them with your URL. In this way, you any of the platform like Facebook or YouTube or even TikTok will not actually flag those links as a bot or CPA offer links, because most of these social media platforms do not allow say affiliate links or CPA links, okay, on their platform. All right, so that is the logic that you have to follow, and in order for you to go ahead and achieve that, you need a Google site, and that will be a free landing page building system. If you watch other of my previous video, basically you will see how I design my landing page step by step. And if you also want me to go ahead and make a dedicated video showing you how to go ahead and create this landing page step by step, or make a video and publish right over here, then all you need to do is to go ahead and send me a DM in my WhatsApp, and I'm going to go ahead and connect with you directly. And all right, I know you are going to be asking, how can I contact you? How can I reach out to you for one-on-one mentorship training on CPA marketing in order to generate funds and make money online? All you need to do is to check out the video description, and my WhatsApp number is right over there, and you can actually reach out to me, okay? And then I'm going to be connecting with you in less than few seconds. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.